What's poppin'? Today we're gonna be unboxing a mystery box, 9th version or something like that, from Vsauce Curiosity Box. I haven't made a video in a while, but I said, why not just make a video of this? It arrived like yesterday. Maybe I should put this in for audio. One sec. This shows the things that are going to be in it. I'm looking forward to that. That looks cool. Curiosity Quarterly. That's what I have going on here. It looks like some really cool stuff's going to be inside this one. I think this is like my 4th box that I've gotten. Oh, ooh, okay, I saw this one in a video. Rattlebacks. Alright, hopefully I can get a good, So basically, if you didn't know what this is, you place it on a flat surface, and you spin it. And whatever way you spin it, it won't spin that way, and it will stop and turn the other way and go that way. And that's actually really cool. Let me get a good angle of this here. Alright. I think you just... Alright, well I guess that was the right way. So if I turn it this way, see that? I won't do it. That's actually really cool. So like that way works. Turn it the other way. Stops and turns back that way. Well, that's a cool find. Here we go. Put that off to the side. We got next, the impossible spinning top. The possible spinning top. Well, that's interesting. Let's see here. It's hard to believe it can't work that way, but Ink's version of a classic triple top will take what your eyes think they know about physics and turn it upside down. Crank up the top angular velocity and watch its stem work its way downward until it's flipped completely. As you spin over and over again, you marvel at the relationship between torque, surface friction, and angular momentum that makes Ink's possible spinning top possible. Is that possible? Impossible? Alright, let's take it out. It's kind of weighted, not too much. So, there's a video on this. Try to make this work. Here. So, spin it like that. Oh, wow. Alright, so if I... See that? I don't know when that's gonna stop, but... That's actually going for a while. Alright. So if I spin it... Oh, wow. Alright, I didn't get that, but here we go. If I spin it like this, it will flip upside down, actually. Oh, my bad. See that? Alright. Cool. So it will never stay like that. It will always flip upside down. That's that. that off to the side. Next, Curiosity mug. Alright. Sounds like fun. They got Ink the Squid hiding in there. So once you finish your, I don't drink coffee, but I guess winter's coming around. So once you finish your hot chocolate, you find a little Inquisitive. Yeah. Dishwasher safe. That's a necessity. Put that up. I guess put that here. Put that off to the side. Okay. Perfect. Next, magnetic levitator. Alright, so apparently this is supposed to be really trippy. There's something, a clear, looking like a baseball plate, home plate package in here. Oh, is that even going to show up? I doubt it. Here you go. Alright, cool. What am I supposed to do with this? This seems kind of weighted. I'm gonna assume this. I guess this inserts here. Oh, is this upside down? My bad. I guess. I don't know if it's gonna give me. Oh wait, there's more. But wait, there's more. Oh no. Never mind. It's just a piece of cardboard box. Ink has tapped the mysteries of the universe, and as a result appears to defy gravity. Ink's magnetic levitator uses perfectly placed, expertly balanced magnets to float the custom orange and white levitator above its base. Watch it hover and spin as it touches nothing but the depths of your imagination. Alright, I think I was placing it the wrong way then. Alright, here we go. Place it right up against this glass, probably. That's probably the wrong side, not the north, whatever. Ah. Oh, I tilted it too much. Here we go. So, there's a pin here. See that? It's only on that side. See, it's not on that side. So, put that right up against the glass. And it starts to levitate. See that? It's not touching anything. That's really cool. I can just keep it in my room and it will never fall. I like that one. I'm gonna put that, let that levitate for a little bit. Keep it right there. Alright, cool. Next we got this shirt. I always like these shirts. Let's see. I love squids. Octopus, whatever this is. Octopus. I like them both. Let me get this on. Cool. Alright, next we got a book about light, the visible spectrum and beyond. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. They even placed it in order from like how, like that to like that. Gamma rays would be like that, and radio waves would be like that, I guess. You know what I'm saying? The spectrum. See, right there. That squiggly line. Alright. Cool. I'll have to look into that. A lot about space. I love space. Cool. Alright. Next. Uh-oh. Matchbox puzzles. I love these little puzzles. Get little cool puzzles you could just take on the road, on a road trip, on a plane. It's great. Going out to eat, and the place is really fancy and boring. Just take one of these and have a great time. Done it before. Alright, let me get this out. Snooker balls. Never heard of it. I'm gonna try to get this tape off here. Alright. One off. Two off. Got these little things. It looks like pretzel sticks, kind of, in different lengths. This one's 4. This one's 3. We got 4 3 long bead chain things, and then 2 4 long bead chain things. Make 3 matches into 6, no breaking into pieces. So I'm gonna assume these are matches, I guess, but not matches. Alright, here you go. I figured it out. Alright, so it says make 3 of these matches kind of things into 6. And of course you're gonna be like, you can't break pieces, so of course you're gonna be confused. But if you're thinking about Roman numerals, you can make this a V and that an I. This is upside down right now. But there you go, you got your 6. That's clever. So you got a bunch of these match puzzles here. Now what are these snooker balls for? I guess they're just in place for the matches. Alright, I guess that's gonna be fun trying to figure that one out later. We got a couple and tea time puzzles. More matchbox puzzles. Alright. Alright, this time we got different cuts of wood. Got a small triangle, small trapezoid. Oh, I fell. Another trapezoid. I don't know what shape this is. Let me see. Let's see. I don't know. And this says more match puzzles. Oh, okay. So they have on the boxes, they have the games that you can do with matches. But this one, I'm gonna assume you try to make a T because that's what's on the front. And I guess the other one, you try to make a pool kind of thing. All right, I got it. So these pieces kind of they don't go together too well, but oh, well, there's that. Maybe. I got the T. No, I'm just joking. Huh, that'll be cool to figure out later. Again, you can take this to like a really fancy restaurant. It's not too big. Just make a tea. Try to figure out how to make a tea. I'll try to figure out this one. See, you have to. That's gonna take too long. And I have to do it on a flat surface, but I don't have a flat surface right now. Alright, next thing here. We got 2 more things left. One. Alright. We got a game. I don't know how to pronounce that, but here you go. $15 game. Oh man, they really super glued this to the. Ooh, there's some strong glue. All right, I'll do a giveaway. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, I'll have to figure out what this is all about. Seems like it would be about coding, because it has binary stuff there. I'll have to look into that. That's cool. And lastly, we got ourselves a postcard. I'll give you a good look at that. That was cool. Yeah, that's everything the mystery box has to offer. That was the 9th edition, I guess. This still seems pretty heavy. Is there something else in here? Something in the walls? Something under the floor? I'm not sure. Well, that was cool. Inquisitive. I guess he's an octopus. Yep, that was the 9th edition by Vsauce. Really cool stuff. I'll enjoy these. Yeah, just hit the notification bell. Don't subscribe, but hit the notification bell.